Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay, sir.
Let's go. We have all the all our brothers and the sisters and nationwide is listening to you. Can you talk to us, please?
Yeah, sir. This is exactly the situation we found ourselves in.
Mm.
It's so sad, but at least 2, 3 days ago, when similar occurrence happened, we managed to take him to a nearby hospital where he was well attended to. It was there that we found out that his BP was high. In fact, his chest was beating so fast. So after the test, and they found out that the BP was high, then he
When
was.
when did when did that start? It just started in this thing, or he has been having it before. When did all this thing start? Or started?
Um, yeah, he has been having these issues before because even before then, he has said something about his medications or something like that. So he has been having that issue before. So, but I don't. I think maybe he stopped taking his medications as soon as we arrived here. So I think that was what triggered that reaction about 2, 3 days ago. So, but we managed to take him to a hospital nearby where he was well attended to, and after that, the chest stopped beating fast and he was normal. But I think he was given some drugs there also, and we became good again. Everything was good again. We started our normal programs. He was even, I think, all over social media. You can even see that he has been posting about his activities. Everything was good until the devil came knocking today.
So his fans took him to another city where you guys are.
Yes, he went to meet up with friends, and that was after being taken out with being taken out by his fans. And um, I think I have to say because it is. I think people can see exactly what happened. I was there at first. Then after he left with his friends, now that was when I retired back to the apartment. Then he left now with his friends. There also, he has some fans also waiting for him. So not until the incident that happened this morning.
So you guys doesn't even know where he went or what.
Yeah, he went out with friends. He went out with friends to go and see a friend too. So that was where it happened. So we were given the locations this morning. So that's when we went to that place. Then upon arrival there, the rest is history.
Okay.
The incident happened, I think, about 30, 45 minutes to where our apartment is. So it took us even about 30 to 40 minutes to get to the said place.
This is not time for blame. But you guys would have stopped him not to go anywhere because this is not what we agreed. And you guys would have supposed to say you are not going anywhere. Stay with the original plan. But it's okay. Okay, as I said, I use this platform in the honor of one of us. All our activities in December and January 3rd is hereby cancelled in the honor of him. And I don't know what to say. I'm have okay, that's fine. Is there any other thing you want to say? I just want to
No,
cut it short.
nothing except the fact that the forensic department, when they arrived after doing one or two, like their normal distance, so they have taken his body away. So they said They have taken him away for postmortem, so we are awaiting the autopsy report. I think they said tomorrow or next the autopsy result will be out.
Okay. The legal is legal there.
Yeah, he's here, sir.
Legal, is there anything you want to say? Because I'm signing out. I don't. This is not time for talk.
Okay, sir.
I don't have BP, but shock is giving me so much headache.
The only thing I need to add so far is that the fans, the masses, and well-meaning members of the globe who are shocked by the incidents of this news should be patient with the government so as to ensure that the processes of a forensic expert and forensic result is fully accomplished. We will be able to show or tender to the public the actual cause of his death. So in which case, we will now make further publications to that effect. It's just to be patient with us as the work is taking its full course.
Hey, Google, I want you to take this upon yourself, the law, all of you. As I was told that untouchable is uncontrollable, so that you guys should please talk with him and let him, let him calm down. Crying and doing all those things. I know I don't want us to have any that something happened. So let him put himself together. Let all of us put ourselves together. It has happened. Nobody. I think you guys have done your best. If he was with you guys, then I would say apportion blame. But he left and 30, 40 minutes, 1 hour with his friend where, apart from where you guys are, that you guys were told, the same way you guys told me before I start going there. So because I would have said, why not start as CPR? But you guys was told. Okay. Thank you so much. The general public, thank you for your audience. It's quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. It's a totally a Black Monday. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.